Hi and welcome into another video. Today we'll be exploring one particular extension in VS Code which is called SSH. It will allow us to get our Ubuntu server, which we installed in some previous videos, which I will link down below, and through VS Code directly to access the folders, our projects, and its terminal. So let's hop into the VS Code and see how it will work. Alright, we have our Ubuntu system opened and logged in, and let's see its IP address. So the IP address which we will need is here 192.168.1.24, so let's copy that in advance and let's go to VS Code. So let's navigate to extensions, and there is an extension called SSH. As you see, 21 million downloads, quite a popular one. Let's install it, and let's see here in the description. The description is very brief, but if we would go to scroll down, the most important thing that you need to do is to press F1 and run Remote-SSH, open SSH host or add SSH host. So let's click F1, and here Remote-SSH has a add new SSH host. If we'll click that, it will show us a command. So example SSH username dot host. So let's do that. So let's SSH briefly at 192.168.1.14. Let's click enter. Let's save this config somewhere here for us, and let's host was added. So we can click it from here. From the Remote Explorer here we have a new icon, and here are our host to which we can go to. So let's connect to it by this arrow. It will open a new window which will set up a SSH connection to our Ubuntu, and it is asking us for a password. So let's type it and hit enter. And right now, if we'll go here connected to remote and open folders, you will actually see the whole directory structure of our Ubuntu server. So here in projects, we have let's say a to-do list which we created previously. I will link it down below, and let's click OK here. And right now everything happens as usual. So we have our project as we would open it locally. So let's hit that to get access to the terminal, and it won't be our local terminal, but it will be a terminal from this machine, so our Ubuntu server. So right now we can type npm run dev to start our project, because this was a Next.js project with a basic to-do list, and we can go to the browser and type our IP address prepended with HTTP on a port 3000, and as you can see here already it's compiling, so we should have access to this to-do list. And our to-do list compiled, and here we have it working. So as you can see, this extension is a very small one, but it's very powerful. So if you have, like we have right now, this local environment which I'm using, a Mac server, and then you can have this Ubuntu virtual machine on which you are doing some stuff, some development and so on, you can still use VS Code in such a way with the usage of this particular extension. So I hope you like that, and I hope it will speed up your development workflow if you need to log into some different machines than a local one. That's all for today, and see you next time.